Good morning, traders, and happy Saturday morning. So today we're going to look at Nike. Ticker symbol is NKE. This was a special request by one of the subscribers, and this is a really interesting chart for a couple reasons. So what you can see before you on the screen is Nike obviously had a massive run to about 200, and then it's totally come in, right? We've had this massive impulsive move down, but what it did is a couple interesting things. It held support, so you could see on a long-term basis, on a daily basis, we had massive support over here, which gives us these kind of lows right over here. Also, we have diagonal support down at the bottom. So, and what I love is that you can see the point of control in the visible volume profile here. So we had massive support here. So it's no surprise that when it came into this, it held really well in the low 50s. But now what we've done is we've moved forward. So I think the lows are in because I love this. So I'm starting to see this in a lot of charts where the COVID lows are essentially swept, right? So you have this little accumulation area where they swept the lows on COVID, and here we are now making a bullish structure on a lot of these names. So this chart's super interesting for that reason alone. Then what we've done is we've formed this bullish consolidation, gapped or went above that support, consolidated for about a month, and then on earnings we obviously gapped higher, right? But it's no surprise why it rejected where it rejected. So I want to show you that as well. So you can see it gapped up, they gapped us over the 150 day, okay? But what did we come into? I love this this indicator, guys. This is the visible range volume profile because it shows you point of control. So if you're in this position, right? Say you're long in this position, this can show you a perfect place to take profits. You can see the point of control right in that zone, rejected, had some bullish consolidation for a couple of days, and then fell in. But I don't think well, I know it didn't fall in for that one reason. There's other alignment factors. So I want to show you that. So what did we do from a diagonal resistance perspective? So there's two lines that are especially interesting to me. The first one I want to draw is this one right here that connects this pivot high to that pivot high. And then what do we do here? They gapped us above it, right? And we confirmed above it. So we have that going for us, okay? So that's breakout number one, if you will. I want you to notate that as breakout number one because that is a confirmed breakout. Then you have the more longer term resistance that dates back to here. So you connect these through these pivot tops. You have this overthrow here. You were respected here, respected here, respected here, kissed here, respected here, and we went through it. Now we overthrew it. Now why do you think we came back in, guys? Okay. This is a good question for you guys. So obviously you had the point of control there from a more longer term perspective, but why did we not continue here? Any guesses? Give you a second. It's what I always talk about. There was no confirmation of that breakout. Okay, so what did it do? It fell back in. So it never confirmed above this high. The breakout candle high never confirmed, but it did confirm here, right? So you have this move, it came back in, didn't confirm here, but this move here confirmed this breakout. So what does that tell me, right? Again, education is everything, guys. So check this. So you have this breakout here, but this one was never confirmed. So this one comes back in. This is not going to be support yet. It needs to break out and confirm above that breakout to confirm. However, this minor line is now support. So here's what I think. This is why you waited around to the end. So I think based on all of this that Nike is going to come in. We are going to do one of two things. We're either going to just bounce off the 150 because now this is support, and we're gonna go from there, right? Yeah, that's all option number one. Option number two, again with a market sell-off, I could also see this happening, is you're gonna have a movement down. You might consolidate here, and then maybe one more, and then boom, and then build that kind of bearish consolidation, and then fill this gap right here at this point of control, and then we're off to the races. So I could see both those scenarios being high probability. So let me just change this for you. Settings, change that color, put that to yellow. Okay, so yeah, so that's kind of how I see Nike. If you're holding Nike, maybe it does something like this. If you're not, if you're looking for a spot to get in, I think this area is good. This support of this, especially if you have a dollar cost average strategy, because if you look at it, it's not a really big difference. You have 67.50, right? So here's entry number one, and then knowing it has the opportunity to go and fill this gap, there's your entry number two, 62.50. Let it fill that gap. Now you got a nice cost average that puts you right about here, and then boom, you're off to the races. So I love this setup. So thank you for asking for this symbol. It's just something that I will most certainly take a look at in my my Roth IRA for sure. This is a long-term hold. Love this setup, and yeah, that's how I play it. So guys, I'm gonna be bringing you bangers all weekend. I got like 7 more tickers to analyze today. So drop a like in the comments. Comment below. Hit that like. Comment below if you want a ticker. I got you. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Oh, and I have to always say, no financial advice given, educational purposes only. I do this to educate and show you what I'm doing with my personal trading strategy. And we're out. Peace.